Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Out with Glimmer. So now on my channel, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can create simple logos on your system, on your PC. And this we are going to be doing it through Canva. Canva is actually a very good website for you guys to create something. So we're actually going to be going to canva.com. You see, it's actually create. You can create many things, right? T-shirt, Instagram, logos, posters, many things, and so on, right here. So right here, we're actually concerned with the logo. I'm actually going to be showing you videos on other things later on my other video. So you guys should subscribe up, and we are going to like you are going to get notified when I drop them. So you guys just try to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below. It's actually free. No, no, it's not. They are not actually gonna collect anything from you. So you guys should click on the subscribe button. Let me know if you liked the video by clicking on thumbs up, and let's go into the video. Okay, so right now we're actually gonna go to the logo right here. You see the logo right here, so we're actually gonna click on that right here. So yeah, it's actually gonna load up. It's creating a new video, so it's gonna like load everything. Sorry, the network is actually like not really okay. So you're gonna wait for it to load. So right now you can see you have different templates for free, and some you're actually gonna be paying. So all these ones are actually like pro, so you're actually gonna be paying for all these ones. If you want to like use these ones, all these ones are free. You see right there is free, so I can actually like take one of these free ones and then use them and edit them, you understand? So it depends. So I can actually like take this one right here and then click on it, you understand? And it's going to be showing me this one. So let's say maybe I want to like create design, or let's say clothes, Abby. Yeah, let's say clothes. So now I'm going to be changing all these ones. I'm going to be making it like um mm, let's try to like find a name for this stuff. Let's say maybe the fashion show. So we're actually like going to click on this, and then I'll press actually like going to edit it right here. So I don't want to like click that, so we're actually going to be doing it like this, and you click on this. Yeah. So it's actually going to be like this, so you can actually like change it to this side, so it's going to be like this, or normal you can just leave it how it is before, you understand? But I think it will be okay like this, I think, you understand? So this one is right there, so I can actually change the font of this one or the size by increasing it like this or not. And I can actually change the font, you know, by like changing it. I have so many free fonts right here, and there is pro. All these ones are pro, so you have to pay to get them. So right here, you see, these ones are actually free. These ones are free. These ones are free. These ones are actually not getting any crown like this. They're actually free, so I can actually change them. So let's choose someone. Let's choose one right here. So it's going to load up and it's actually going to change soon. So you see it's actually changed. So that's how. So but normally I think okay, this one is good. So you can actually change the color of this one by like of this stuff right here. So if you want to change the color, this one is just like for the color you're actually gonna be clicking on this one. So it's gonna be bringing, maybe you want to change it to red, you understand? And you don't want your stuff to be like more just there. So we actually like make them like very nice, you understand? Sorry, cancel. So we can make it very nice. I won't make it somehow girlish style somehow, I think. So I think it is okay like this. See it somehow sweet. So I can decide to change the background right here by clicking on the background, and then maybe I want to change it to something like this, or change something like make it somehow girlish. So let's leave it like this just for the just for the video, so I can actually like try to like do some things, you understand? These are lines you can actually add on the stuff. So you can actually like try to like bring some things up. Okay, I can be like, okay, I want to add this ones, you understand? Or maybe I want to add something else like this, you understand? So maybe let's try one of them, maybe this one. So we actually are going to be like this, maybe. So we're going to like move this one to very good size, shape it, understand? Mm, somehow like this. Then I'm going to like change the the color. Maybe I'm going to change to black instead. Understand? It's just for the video. It's actually not really something necessary. So you can add it like this, or you can actually do it like this, like cover the line, you understand? It's actually somehow weight like this, or like you can actually like add this one, you understand? Right there. So maybe you're gonna turn this one into something like this, you understand? So maybe you're gonna change the color from all these ones, like actually like try to fade it up, maybe from red to like, you can change the color anyhow you want. So maybe to like something kind of deep, kind of not very deep, understand? To kind of blur some red. So maybe around there. So normal, the last one I can actually make it somehow blur. So you see it's actually like this, but normal the fashion is not actually showing that well. So I can decide to change the color and be like, okay, let's put it to this, let's put it this way, or like somehow we can actually put it that way, or just change the color somehow, so that it's actually gonna pop up. You understand? So all these ones are actually not popping up anymore. You see, you can see it right there. So we're actually gonna change it. So it's actually like done right there. You see it right there. So we try to like make some effect right there. But normal, you can make it so simple by just hitting the effect and bring it like this. So you can choose another template. Let's maybe choose another template to work on. Maybe you want like do some weight loss logo, and maybe we're actually gonna check weight loss logos. Maybe they have, and if there is no weight loss logo, let's just go to the ads or doctor side. Okay, so we're actually gonna be checking if there is right there, but all I'm seeing right here is actually like more like someone. Okay, so okay, let's choose this one right here and be like okay, we're choosing this one just for weight loss product, you understand? So I can actually like to say I want to like make things happen. Let's change the name of our stuff to like market or weight balance. Let's say weight, and then we change these ones to balance. You understand? So all these ones you can actually like delete them by just click on this. Is actually gonna tell you maybe delete group. Group is everything, but element is just that side. Understand? So right here I can actually do it like this. You understand? Put it like this. So this way I can like increase this size, but the space is not that much. This balance I can increase this size also. I can now change the font, maybe just or make it thick. You understand? So people can see it. So right there's another um what is it called? That's another design, simple design. So maybe you actually like make it write something at the side right here. We can just put it like this: weight loss, treatment also. So let's put it right there, like at this side. I want to be like okay, no weight loss, and be like want to like shorten it so it won't like be really can it, so we are going to maybe change the font right there, so it's actually gonna load. So it's actually like they're going to see very well with this thick side. So weight loss, let's say treatment. Understand? So we say treatment right there. So you see weight loss treatment. You see. So I want to change this one also. So let's quickly find one actually. Let's use this one. Let's see how it's gonna be. So this one is not okay. Let's change to this one. So I'm gonna check which one I'm like going to be. It has changed, but I don't like it. So I want something like very thick than the weight loss. So it's actually thick. So I'm actually gonna be like Okay, let's check if there is another one right there that is actually somehow stylish. Let's try this. I'm coming, trying to find some things. Okay, this one will be okay. Let's try it. Okay, so this one is okay, but you have to make it somehow visible. You understand? You want them to like see the treatment, weight loss treatment. You see, so it's actually like okay like this. So you can actually like download the stuff from here. It's going to be showing you the way you can download it. Since it is image, so I'm actually going to tell you to like download it through the PNG, and it's actually suggested for me. Then I download it through like this. So it's actually going to be showing up in the screen. Then it's going to pop up right at the side right here. So that's how you create designs on Canva. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create designs logo on Canva from scratch. Next my video, I'm going to be showing you that maybe after some couple of videos, you understand. But this is a very simple way of creating logos on Canva. You can actually like check the templates right there. You have the groups right there, and actually most of them are actually free, but you enjoy more by paying. You understand? Most of them are actually free, and you can forge what you want. You see the animated logo right there is actually going to be bringing everything. You see all these ones, they're actually very good. So these ones are just for like maybe when you're creating maybe your YouTube channel, and you'll be like, okay, this is my maybe you want to like do the intro, you understand? So this one is all these animated logo is actually good if you create it from if you create the stuff from like this one. So you're actually like going to forge it somehow. That's how it is. So if you're new to my channel and you like this video, click on the like button. Let me know that you love this video. Comment in the comment section if you don't know anything, like maybe you don't get it, and if you like this video and want to know watch more of this video, you should subscribe quickly right now by clicking on the subscribe button, actually free, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. Thank you.